Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do another edition of Spooky Eats, and today I'm going to make a Spooktacular iced coffee for all of you. I have a huge color changing Starbucks cup that I got the other day when I went there, so only $3, so go get those while you can. Very spooktacular deal. And I have a little recipe right here, kind of like a little guideline to tell me what I need to do first. And the first thing is coffee, and I already have some brewed coffee right here, so I'm just going to pour some in to my cup, about like that. We're not measuring really anything. Then we're going to add some coffee creamer, and this is the Nestle Coffee Mate Pumpkin Spice. It has everything in it, so I didn't buy any like real additional flavorings, just this one, because it's already pumpkin spice, so it's all you need. So we're going to add a little bit in there, along with a little bit of half and half milk. Looks good. I want to add some more coffee. There we go. Can't get that coffee. We're going to add some just cinnamon sugar that I found at the store. It smells so good, so we're going to top that in there. Sprinkle it. I love a lot of sugar, so yes, give me the sugar. I'm going to do like 2 spoonfuls of sugar, just for taste. I like mine really sweet. We are going to add some ice cubes. I have some cute little tombstones to use today. So adorable. I got this mold at, one of them broke, but it's okay. I got this mold at Michael's, and I've been loving it ever since I got it. Look at the cute little ice cubes. So tomb-tastic. Right? That's how our drink is looking right now. It looks really good. We're going to stir everything together. Oh yeah. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. Oh my gosh. This is a super simple, quick iced coffee for Halloween. So if you have guests over and it's the morning time, you can make them this. You can have it with or without alcohol. I'm going to add some Crystal Palace vodka right here, and just a little bit. Just a little bit in there. Get everything going. Then we're going to stir that up in there as well. My ice cubes have already melted. Like, what in the world? Wow. Okay. So yeah, this is definitely a super easy to do coffee. And I haven't had my coffee yet, so yeah. Next up, we're going to add some whipped cream. Next up, we're going to add some marshmallows. And I have 2 different cuts of marshmallows. I have classic jumbo marshmallows. I have some classic jumbo marshmallows. I'm going to just place them around here. We have some pumpkin spice marshmallows. They're shaped as little pumpkin, so those are going to be cute little accents. Ooh, this is so cute. I have some sprinkles here from Wilton, and they are orange and black, and I'm going to just simply sprinkle. Oh, look at the color is changing in the cup. It's like purple and orange. It changes color based on the temperature of the cup. That is so cool. This is my Spooktacular iced coffee. I'm so glad that I was able to make it for all of you today, and I hope you guys will enjoy it just as much as I will. This one you need to drink with a straw. Yes. I will write down everything I did and used in the description below. This is good. Thank you guys so much for joining me on another edition of Spooky Eats. Cheers. Cheers to all of you. Hopefully you guys will try this and enjoy just as much as I am. And maybe if you want to, you can tweak some things here and there, make it your own. Totally customizable. Whatever option you want to do is totally fine. And this one is definitely amazing. So recommend trying this one out. If you enjoy iced coffee and Halloween, please leave a huge thumbs up. It's so appreciated. Subscribe for more videos.